Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in nail art tutorials. Today we have a special treat for you, an elegant red and white nail art combination that's perfect for any occasion. To get started you will need some red and white nail polish. Make sure they are both high quality for a professional finish. Begin by ensuring your nails are clean and prepped. File them to your desired shape and apply a clear base coat to protect your natural nails. Now apply the red nail polish as the base color. Make sure it's evenly coated and allow it to dry completely. Next, take the white nail polish and some nail art tools. You can use a nail brush, dotting tool, or even toothpicks for this. Start by creating your design. White nail art design, you can go for simple stripes, dots, or even intricate pattern. It's up to you. Once you are satisfied with this design, let it dry completely. This is crucial to prevent smudging. Finish off your nail art with the clear top coat to seal design and shine. This will also help your manicure last longer. And there you have it, an elegant red and white nail art combination that's sure to turn heads. Perfect for wedding parties or just when you want to feel extra special. You see this design, how much beautiful looks, amazing and nice, attractive this color nail art. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumb up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a nail art tutorial from us. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video for more fabulous nail art ideas.